Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Volatility Hypertrend Indicator for MT4. This volatility sensitive trend tool uses ATR-based calculations to generate reliable directional arrows that identify trend direction, entry points, and potential reversals. In this video you'll see how the volatility hypertrend works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are used. The Volatility Hypertrend Indicator is a useful technical analysis tool for traders looking to identify trends in the market, measuring volatility while simultaneously defining trend direction. It is a volatility sensitive trading indicator built around the ATR, which is average true range, to generate reliable signals for buying and selling, plotting arrows to assist traders in identifying trend direction, entry points, exit points, strength of volatility, and potential reversals. Instead of forcing traders to analyze dozens of candles manually, it reads momentum and volatility together to highlight where the trend is gaining speed or weakening, making it especially favored by scalping and intraday traders who trade on timeframes such as M1, M5, M15, and H1. On the chart, the volatility hypertrend displays blue upward pointing arrows to signal potential buy entries, such as here and here, and red downward pointing arrows to indicate sell opportunities. Yeah, as you can see on the chart. The core engine behind the indicator is ATR, which measures the level of market volatility, and using that data, the indicator adjusts arrow placement, signal direction, trend filters, and sensitivity. When volatility increases, the indicator becomes more responsive, while when volatility drops, it filters out fake moves and prevents unnecessary entries, making it highly adapted for currency pairs like Gold USD, Great British Pound Japan Yen, US 30, Euro USD, NAS 100, and Great British Pound USD. For buy setups, traders look for arrow pointing up, candle closing above recent structure, volatility rising with ATR slope increasing, and optionally price above EMA 50 for confirmation. For sell setups, traders watch for downward arrows, candle closing below structure, rising volatility, and optional price below EMA 50, as we can see on the chart. Exit buy signal occurs when traders close or buy orders if while a bullish trend is running the red downward pointing arrow. While exit sell signal closes all sell orders if while a bearish trend is ongoing and the blue upward pointing arrow is on display. You can adjust this color for the lines and for the arrows too. As you can see in the chart, you can also adjust the multiplier and the ATR period. You can also set alerts such as email, push, and sound alerts so you can be instantly notified when a trend changes direction. The volatility hypertrend indicator is suitable for scalpers and intraday traders who need accuracy plus speed, small account traders, and prop firm traders who trade fast moving pairs. As an indicator that does not repaint, the volatility hypertrend can be deployed as a primary technical tool to initially establish where price is heading, and it can be combined with support and resistance tool, a second volatility filter like CCI or RSI, or EMA for additional confirmation. Traditional trend indicators like moving averages or MACD suffer from lag, especially during volatile periods, but the volatility hypertrend overcomes this by reading volatility directly, generating earlier but accurate entries, providing clear directional arrows, avoiding clutter, and maintaining consistency even in fast markets. You can download the Volatility Hypertrend Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how combining ATR-based volatility measurements with trend direction arrows can provide early entries with reduced lag compared to traditional indicators. If you like non-repenting volatility-based trend tools with clear arrow signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.